Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing some delicious snacks, Veggie Pockets. Let's get started. First we will prepare the dough. For that we will need 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Mix it all together and then add 2 cups of lukewarm water gradually as you mix it, and then work this into a dough. The dough should not be too stiff nor too soft. And then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Cover it up for at least 40 minutes. Now we will prepare filling. For the filling, take 1 carrot and finely chop it. 1 finely chopped bell pepper. 1 small finely chopped potato. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to our vegetables, and then let's add spices. 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix it all together. Now we will check on our dough. As you can see, it is nice and soft. If you leave it for a longer period of time, it will become even better. Take small pieces of the dough at a time, make it into a ball. And then we will roll it out into thin layers. Now cut it into circular pieces. We're using a cookie cutter over here. You can use a bowl or anything that you would like. Fill it with the filling that we had prepared earlier and cover it with pieces of mozzarella cheese. Make sure that it is tightly packed so that the filling does not come out when we're baking. Glaze each of the pieces with eggs so that it becomes softer and gives a nice color. Now preheat the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 25 minutes or until the top of the veggie pockets have become golden brown. The delicious veggie pockets are ready to be served. This is an amazing and tasty dish as a snack or an appetizer. If you want to see more of our snacks or appetizer recipes, please view our playlist. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Thank you and goodbye.